Wait, hold on. Start. Hello, guys. This is the water experiment. We got the ice cube. It's a pretty big ice cube. This looks like real ice cream in this part. I know. But this is really ice. Watch out, it's twinkly. Ice skating guy. No, ice skating finger guy. Finger guy. Hey, my name is Mr. Guy. It's Finger Guy. Wait until a little half the map. What? You have to wait a little bit. We are able fans even though we live in Ohio. We're not I go to Detroit. Stop. Sorry. What is this supposed to do, Reggie? It has to close the mouth. Then see the what? It's supposed to rain. You mean rain in the sky? Yep. And then when we hit the stop, means we're gonna put a ruler and see how much it grew. Yep. So pick the ruler. You do that while we watch. Got it? Hold on a minute. Not in there. Jacob is doing some. I guess we're going to skip that rule part. Okay, Reg? It's milk. You know what? It's milk. First off down here, we'll show how the science experiment will go. But Reggie, what's doing Reggie needs the stuff? The bananas, the apple, the rotten bananas. I'm done. Why? What part? What part of it? How does it work? So that's what the what? That's how the wings fall? What's that supposed to be? Oh, we can do that still, right? That'll just, no. We have to? Yep. Wait. You see those drops? Give us thumbs. Right, Reg? You really want thumbs. We got a little icicle in here. Oh, icicle? Yep. Wow. Really? Wait. Yeah, see? This. Let's see this one. No, Reggie, show us. Where was the icicle? Quick! It's cold. The ice cube is cold. So now, did you see those drops? A drop to throw in the water. Drop. That was our own little water cycle. What do you mean? Is it water cycle? Now, guys, be smart. Be a scientist when you grow up. Come on. We'll see you later. Next experiment. Or movie.